how to delete your Cash App transactions. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In this video, I'll simply show you how you can delete your Cash App transactions. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, first of all, you have to keep in mind that you can't delete your Cash App transaction history, but there's actually no need to. However, there is no need to delete these interactions. When you tap on a payment, it simply gives the payment details and says if it's pending or completed. You can tap the three dots in the top right corner, but the only further options it gives you are to get to a web receipt or to contact support if something is actually wrong. There's no way to delete your history in your account settings either. When you go to privacy and security, your only options are to enable or change a PIN lock, make your cash tag searchable, or to enable or disable payment requests. This isn't very different than how Venmo actually works. Venmo also doesn't let you delete your transaction history, but with Venmo settings, you can choose to make all past and future transactions private. So, however, the difference is that with Cash App, all of your transactions on the app are already private, meaning that only you and the other person involved in the payment can see it. So unless you don't even want to see your transactions on the phone, in which case you'd have to delete your whole account, there's no need to make transactions private because they already are. So the only way to get rid of all of your transaction history, which is only available to you, is to simply delete your account. So you just have to keep that in mind. And if you don't know how to delete your account, then I'm going to drop a link down below. You can just check that out in order to watch our other video where we show you step by step on how you can delete or close your Cash App account. Hopefully this video answered your question. You making it to the end of this video definitely means that I have provided some kind of value to you. If this video helped you in either way, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. As always, hands and head salute.